Hey guys, what's up? So I have just ground some of this dandelion root here for the first time and made it into a tea. So I'm just gonna pour that tea, check out the scent, let you know what I think. It might be too hot for me to taste just yet, but I ground that in a coffee grinder and then used this little coffee and tea maker to make my tea, and that's what it came out looking like after it has been brewed. So we'll just pour that into the cup here. The dandelion root itself has a really mild scent, so it seems like it's going to be pretty mild flavored. I might add some honey to it, but I'm not even sure if that's going to be necessary. Let's see. Yeah, the scent is really mild. I like it. It's not like overbearing like some different herbs and things can be. And so, yeah, this is my first brew of the dandelion tea, and I'm pretty excited about it. I've just been doing a lot of research and reading about so many potential benefits, and I'm excited to see how that works for me. You like that in my little cup that I painted? I love this little cup. Okay, y'all have a great day.